Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make corn on the cob in the Instant Pot. I wanted to share with you all an easy and delicious way on how to cook corn on the cob. In my Instant Pot I have 5 cups of water. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then just stir together to combine. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now you're going to need 6 ears of corn. You want to peel and break your corn in half. Then place the corn in the pot in rings standing up to fit more. Now the liquid will not cover the corn completely. Then you're going to cover and seal the vent. And sit on manual for 5 minutes. Then make sure to quick release the steam completely before opening the lid. Then you can remove the corn with tongs and let rest for about 5 minutes before serving. Now this corn is delicious on its own, but you can garnish them with additional butter or any seasoning of your choice. I know today was a short video. I just wanted to share with you all an easy and delicious way on how to cook corn on the cob. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!